Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll explain if it's possible to remove the Meta AI from Instagram and Facebook. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Before we begin, of course, whether for Instagram or Facebook, it's important to know that Meta AI is not integrated into Facebook and Instagram, and there isn't an option where you basically can completely remove or turn off the Meta AI. If you're seeing the Meta AI search bar or chat, it's basically can't currently be disabled throughout the account settings. However, you can limit some AI related features. If you have, an example, a public Instagram account, you can remove the sharing and reuse, as example, option off. So, as example, in Instagram, just go and open it up, go and click on your profile, then click on the menu. So once you click on that, you will get here into the settings. From here, just go and scroll down a bit until you find this how others can interact with you. Click on sharing and reuse, and you can turn basically this off. Story shares, post and reel stories, as you can see, everything off. Of course, make sure to turn it or to have it off first of all, and then you'll be able to turn it on or off. As you can see, the other option, posts and reels. So allow people to reuse your content, as you can see, and with AI features at Meta. So you can turn it off for everything, and also allow people to share externally, or basically to download your reels or not. It's totally up to you if you want to enable it or disable it from here. You have also website embeds, you can turn it off and stuff like that. You can keep it enabled for some things and keep it disabled for other things if you want to. Keep in mind that this won't remove Meta AI from the app, but it can basically prevent feature or future AI use of your public content. Existing AI generated content created before you change the settings won't be removed though. So if your concern is privacy rather than the assistant itself, you can also review the privacy center and AI related privacy settings and on Facebook and Instagram both to limit how your information is used with those options are available. Keep in mind that the available settings may vary depending on your country and account as well. So yeah, that's basically it for me in this video. If you find this helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.